What if I told you the biggest thing keeping you broke isn't the government? It isn't your salary. It isn't your background. It's a lie. Actually, 5 lies. Lies we were taught in school. Lies our parents believed. Lies society keeps repeating. And if you don't unlearn them, you will work your entire life and still struggle financially. Today, we expose the 5 wealth-building lies almost everyone believes. Stay till the end, because lie number 5 is the most dangerous. Lie number 1. Work hard and you'll be rich. We were told, just work hard. Keep your head down. Put in the hours. But here's the truth. Hard work alone does not create wealth. Leverage does. There are people working 12-hour shifts who can barely pay rent. And there are people working 4 focused hours, earning 10x more. The difference? Ownership, assets, scalable income. According to research from Federal Reserve, the majority of millionaires own businesses or income-producing assets. Not just jobs. Hard work builds income. Leverage builds wealth. If effort alone made people rich, construction workers would be billionaires. Lie number 2. You need to earn a lot to start investing. This lie is dangerous because it delays your start. You think, when I start earning big money, then I'll invest. But wealth is built by time, not income. The magic isn't how much you start with. It's compound growth. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Even small, consistent investments can grow massively over time. Start with 5,000 Nigerian nairas. Start with $50. Start anywhere. Waiting to earn more often becomes waiting forever. Lie number 3. Debt is always bad. This one shocks people. Yes, bad debt destroys wealth. Credit card debt, consumer loans, buying liabilities. But wealthy people use debt strategically. They use it to buy assets, real estate, businesses, cash flow investments. There's a difference between cross-mark debt that buys liabilities and white heavy checkmark debt that buys income-producing assets. Understanding that difference changes everything. The rich don't avoid debt. They control it. Lie number 4. You need a perfect plan before you start. Perfection is procrastination in disguise. People spend years watching videos, taking courses, planning logos, researching endlessly. Meanwhile, someone less prepared starts messy and learns faster. Wealth rewards action, not perfection. Your first investment won't be perfect. Your first business won't be perfect. Your first strategy won't be perfect. But you cannot improve what you never start. Clarity comes from movement. Lie number 5. Rich people are lucky. This is the most dangerous lie because it removes responsibility. If wealth is luck, then you're powerless. But here's what studies show. Most wealthy individuals built their wealth over time through consistent decisions, not lottery wins. According to Ramsey Solutions, the majority of millionaires are self-made. They didn't inherit it. They didn't win it. They built it. Yes, privilege exists. But discipline, financial literacy, and ownership matter more than most people admit. Luck may open a door, but systems keep it open. If you believed even one of these lies, you're not alone. Most of us were programmed this way. But wealth begins with awareness. Unlearn the lie. Replace it with strategy. Take small action. Because the truth is, wealth isn't about working harder. It's about thinking differently. If this challenged your perspective, like the video, subscribe to Wealth and Mind, and comment, Unlearned. Let's build differently.